walkthrough preview for our upcoming online auction of Diemold tool in Shakopee, Minnesota. This auction will close starting at 10 a.m. Central Time on Tuesday, March 26th, 2024. This is a complete mold, tool, and die facility closing. Everything needed to run a shop to make molds and dies will be sold at this auction. Matsura ES550V CNC Machining Center, two Makino S56 CNC Machining Centers, a Matsura VX1000 CNC Machining Center, Bridgeport Mills with readouts, roll-in bandsaws, Aikido radial arm drills, Clausen Colchester 15 by 50 inch lathe with readouts, workbenches, tool holders, Okamoto surface grinder 1632 DXV, a Makino EDNC 43S CNC sinker EDM with slurry and C-axis, several Mitsui high-tech surface grinders, some with OptiDress, inspection equipment, tooling, and more. Once again, this auction closes on Tuesday, March 26, 2024 at machinesused.com. We'll see you there.